marathon goes 4:02, 285. There was something maybe hanging on the front of that race car. We'll see if we can get the non-situation in round one. Okay. There's John Creasy. Dale right there. You see him give it a pedal and a second pedal as it started to spin the tire, and then boom, that thing lifted the body, lifted the supercharger, a big flash and fire billowing out the hood of that race car, and Dale is out of the car walking around on the top end. That is certainly the good news, but it's not the first time Dale Creasy Jr. has been on fire, and I don't think that it was exactly his plan coming in round number one here at Joliet, Joe.
Yeah, huge explosion, very expensive as well. I think about that team. Robert Height, actually very helpful to that team as they switched to the 6-disc program last year. And to Dale, it's not the first time he's been through something like that, but to watch that fireball and explosion is just a lot of money going up right there.
See Dale Creasy Jr., a veteran of funny car, did a nice job getting that car stopped and was immediately up and out of the the double golds JR Todd. Right in. That will expedite JR's skipping process. Out there, spins, but gets the win. 457 at 185 miles per hour.
Yeah, I wonder if Bob is going to own up to it or say it was an accident.
I don't know, what to find out. We'll see Bob get out there into some trouble. And Alex Laughlin. Nitro funny car, 4093, 304 miles per hour. Here we go. Your car's on a good roll, that would certainly make something. For Tim Wilkerson, 3.980, 316 miles per hour, and the folks at Skag. 35 miles per hour and 25 miles per hour to get the job done. Ron Capps was out in front by 0.05 of a second in reaction time, and the laundry fell out at half track. Tim Wilkerson, Richard Hartman and the team are back on top in Funny Car.
What was your thoughts when you saw Ron Capps disappear there on the racetrack?
Well, I seen a lot of blue Toyota out in front of me. He dogged me on the starting line like he always does. I just kind of tucked it in there trying to do the best I could do, and pretty lucky to get by that round, really, but I made a nice run, 96 at 325 in that right lane. It's pretty stellar, but congratulations to all my guys. You did a great job, and I tell you, on days like this, you see a lot of problems with blower belts falling off, and I'm a Gates guy. We run on Gates belts, and they're not falling off, so we're pretty tickled with Gates to be on our team. But Ford Motor Company, Ford Mustang, happy to get by the old blue Toyota thing there, but you know, we got a lot of folks from Skag here too. Real excited for them guys. I think it's their first win. And Dick Levi, home, love you, thanks.